Sharing is caring, right? You and your significant other love to watch certain shows. Matter of fact, that household rule for certain shows is that you don't watch on your own. You wait. Darn you, you wait. But it's tempting. Some folk have a side piece, you have a side stream. Binge cheating. I know. I've been tempted to journey down that rabbit hole of shame and step out on my wife to watch episodes of Moon Knight recently. But for you, what if watching the latest episode of Abbott Elementary coming up is living rent-free in your mind and you need to see it, but you're out of town on business? What if it's you and your sibling's favorite show, but they live in another state? I'm going to show you how to watch your favorite shows with your besties, even if they live on the East Coast and you're on the best coast. Yeah, I said it. Come at me, bro. Hey, if this info today helps you, or any of the videos from any of my wonderful colleagues on the channel have helped you, please consider hitting us with that thumbs up, clicking on the subscribe, and hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload the latest videos and when we hold our contests, because we're giving away free stuff, y'all. So, you may have seen Facebook watch parties and some other services which allow you to watch content with family and friends. And you may have seen Apple launch a feature which also does that, called SharePlay. First released with iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS 15.1 late last year, its stable of compatible apps has expanded beyond the initial launch apps over these last few months. Recently, Hulu announced compatibility with SharePlay, adding to a list which includes AppleTV Plus, naturally, as well as Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, Showtime, HBO Max, TikTok, Paramount Plus, and Twitch, just to name a few. Additionally, the feature works with podcasts, gaming, and music apps. Well, there's some good streaming in there between all those apps, so I'm going to show you how to utilize this so you don't go stream cheating on your TV butthead or your spouse, SO. Let's start with SharePlay streaming on your iPhone. First things first, you have to be on iOS, iPadOS, or tvOS 15.1 at the very least. For iPhone, you can check that by going into the Settings app, then General, tap on About. Okay, you're good? Good. Now, down to the nitty-gritty. This all begins with FaceTime. You're going to initiate a FaceTime call with that FaceTime pal you want to stream whatever content with. Once on the call, you can minimize, then go look for whatever supported app that you're going to stream from. If that app is supported, it will recognize that you're on a FaceTime call and ask you if you want to initiate a SharePlay session. Now you can watch whatever content a couple different ways. You can watch it full screen on your iPhone or iPad with the little window floating on top which shows you your caller, or you can minimize it back to the FaceTime window and you'll see three windows there: your camera, the caller's camera, and the content you're sharing. One of the great features of SharePlay and Apple's great integration of its products is that if you're also an Apple TV owner, you can use the phone to chat while streaming the shared content on your TV. Here's how you do that. After the call has been initiated or while on a call with someone, go to your Apple TV and bring up Control Center. Now, the first time you try to SharePlay to your Apple TV, it's going to ask you if you want to enable the feature. Go ahead and confirm and click OKs, and then you should be good to go. Now, when you want to watch a show, look for the SharePlay option there in Control Center below your Apple ID avatar or avatars and click on it. And Bob's your uncle. With some of the apps, after you've enabled it, it will actually automatically SharePlay to your Apple TV, but you can also turn that feature off. I have to say that I found moving a SharePlay that you started phone to phone to streaming for you on your TV, it's a bit wonky. I had it hang with Disney Plus, Hulu. I got it to work, but it was, you may have to play with it a bit. And once it's working to your satisfaction, you'll be streaming to your TV while teaming up on your mobile device. But what about sharing a new favorite song with your fam? Works similarly to how you get things started on your iPhone. Initiate that call, then swipe up to go home, and open up Apple Music. Select a song and press play. In this case, I'm going to share one of my favorite soundtracks with myself, the iconic Cowboy Bebop soundtrack from the band Seatbelts from the 1998 Cowboy Bebop series. Domo arigato, Kano Yoko-san. So, I bet you didn't know you were going to get relationship therapy in this week's video. I hope my tips here have saved you from a life of binge infidelity and that your marriage, your puppy loves, your casual but potentially serious dalliances are the better for it. I'm Tshaka Armstrong for Reviews.org. Don't take it lightly that you spent your time here watching with us today. I'm sharing because I'm caring, and I thank you for being with us. I will catch you on the next video.